Hi students, welcome. Today we discuss a 12th standard chemistry lesson hydroxy compounds and ether. Topic phenols. Okay, so naming method and preparation are discussed in this session. Right, phenols. Nomenclatures of phenol. Right. So what is phenol? What is phenol? So phenol is an aromatic compound. Aromatic compound hydroxyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Okay, phenols are organic compound in which a hydroxyl group OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Okay, directly attached to a benzene ring. Right. In phenol, the carbon bearing the OH group is sp2 hybridized. Okay, so OH group attach ஆகிற கார்பன் அதோட hybridization பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sp2. Okay, the carbon bearing the OH group is sp2 hybridized. Right, then next topic of hydroxy compounds and ether lesson is classification of phenols. Phenol classification. So phenol are classified into three classes: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, polyhydric alcohol. In alcohol, aliphatic alcohol. So in aromatic alcohol, phenol classified into four classes: monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, trihydric phenol, substituted phenol. Okay, so now discuss monohydric phenol. Monohydric phenol. So phenol C6H5OH. Okay, molecular formula C6H5OH. Phenol structural formula is seen in display. Okay, so the common name and IUPAC name of the compound is phenol. Okay, so phenol common and IUPAC name. Okay, structural formula is seen. So one benzene ring, the hydroxyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring, right? Molecular formula C6H5OH. Okay, in monohydric alcohol contain only one hydroxyl group attached to a benzene ring. Okay, right. Then next one compound, the next one example of monohydric phenol, methyl phenol. Common name orthokerazole. Common name orthokerazole. IUPAC name 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. Right. In phenol, this end and this position are ortho position. Okay, ortho. Okay, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Position 2 and 6 are ortho position, 3 and 5 are meta position, position 4 is para position. Okay, in phenol, position 2 and 6 are ortho position, 3 and 5 are meta position, 4 is the para position. Okay, so in the second example, the methyl group attached in phenol ortho position. Okay, ortho position. So name, common name orthokerazole. Okay, then second IUPAC name of this second one example compound, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4. Carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6. Okay, so second carbon 1, substituent 2-methyl-phenol is the IUPAC name of the compound. The next one example, metacarazole, IUPAC name 3-methyl-phenol, 3-methyl-phenol. The next one example, paracarazole, or IUPAC name of the compound 4-methyl-phenol. So fourth carbon contain one methyl substituent, 4-methyl-phenol is the IUPAC name of the given compound. Then second one classification, dihydric phenol, dihydric phenol. First one example, okay, so in a benzene ring 2 hydroxyl group is attached. So name for this compound catechol. Okay, catechol. IUPAC name of this compound 1,2 dihydroxybenzene, 1,2 dihydroxybenzene. Okay, so 2 substituent 1 2, okay, 3 4, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6. Okay, so first carbon, second carbon contain 2 hydroxyl group, name 1,2 dihydroxybenzene. Okay, then next one example, common name for this compound rasacinol. Okay, rasacinol common name. Then IUPAC name 1,3 dihydroxybenzene, 1,3 dihydroxybenzene. Okay, first carbon and third carbon contain 2 hydroxyl functional group. Right. Then next one example, 1,4 dihydroxybenzene is the IUPAC name. Common name quinol. Okay, common name quinol. So quinol structure important. Okay, common name 1,4 dihydroxybenzene. Then next one classification, trihydroxyphenol, trihydroxyphenol. Okay, in trihydroxyphenol 3 hydroxyl group present in the benzene ring. In dihydric phenol contain 2 hydroxyl functional group is attached in a benzene ring. Okay, right. So trihydric phenol example, first one example. Okay, benzene ring contain 3 hydroxyl substituent, carbon number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, trihydroxybenzene. Common name for this compound pyrogalol. Okay, pyrogalol. Right, just understand IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, so IUPAC name 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. Then second one example, okay, compound number, second one example contain 3 hydroxyl functional group, carbon position number 1, 2 and 4. Okay, carbon number 1, 2 and 4 contain 3 hydroxyl functional group. Then IUPAC name 1, 2, 4 trihydroxybenzene. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 4 trihydroxybenzene IUPAC name. Okay, then common name hydroxyquinol. Okay, so this hydroxy group taken as a substituent. Then remaining parts quinol structure, so common name hydroxyquinol. Okay, so hydroxy group substituent, one substituent in quinol structure, right? Common name hydroxyquinol. The next one example, okay, 3 hydroxyl functional group, carbon number 1, 3 and 5, 1, 3 and 5. IUPAC name 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene is the IUPAC name of the third one compound. Then common name for this compound thaluroglucinol. Okay, IUPAC name 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene, common name thaluroglucinol. Okay, So just we understand IUPAC name of the compound. So common name glucinol, right? Then next substituted phenol. Next one classification, substituted phenol. Okay, first one example, aminophenol. Okay, in phenol one amino group is attached, carbon number 2, okay, or ortho position. Okay, already discussed. Okay, position number 2 and 6 are ortho position. 3 and 5 meta position. 3 and 5 meta position. Carbon number 4 ortho position. Okay, carbon number 4 ortho position. Okay, so second carbon one substituent, this is the ortho position. Okay, position carbon number 2 ortho position. So orthoaminophenol is the name for this compound, right? Then second one example, okay, aldehyde hydroxyl functional group is substituent. Okay, so benzene ring, yeah, aldehyde functional group attached. Okay, aldehyde functional group attached, so name benzaldehyde. Hydroxyl functional group is a substituent. Okay, hydroxyl functional group is substituent for second compound, so name for this compound orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. So hydroxyl group is substituent. Okay, so already discussed question number, carbon number 2 and 6 are ortho position, so name for this compound orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Then next one example, third one example, carboxylic acid. One hydroxyl group is a substituent in this compound, so benzoic acid, hydroxybenzoic acid, para-hydroxybenzoic acid is the name for this compound. Okay, then next fourth one example, so 2 hydroxyl functional group is substituent in toluene. Okay, question number 3 and question number 5, true hydroxyl functional group is a substituent in toluene. So toluene molecular formula C6H5CH3. Okay, toluene 2 hydroxyl functional group. So compound name 3,5 dihydroxytoluene. Okay, 3,5 dihydroxytoluene is the IUPAC name for this compound. Common name versinol. IUPAC name 3,5 dihydroxytoluene. Okay, so only no substituent, only ring, benzene ring with a methyl group is toluene. Okay, in toluene 2 substituent are here, position number 3 and position number 5. Okay, so 3,5 dihydroxytoluene is the IUPAC name for this compound. Then next we discuss preparation of phenol. So very important preparation, Dow process from haloarenes. First one preparatory method, Dow process, important 3 more question, right? When chlorobenzene is hydrolyzed with 6 to 8% sodium hydroxide, is a alkali. Okay, 6 to 8% sodium hydroxide at 300 bar pressure and 633 Kelvin in a closed vessel, sodium phenoxide is formed first. Then sodium phenoxide on treatment with a dilute HCl gives phenol. So now discuss the equation for this Dow process reaction. Chlorobenzene treated with a 8 to 6% sodium hydroxide. Okay, in the 300 bar pressure, 633 Kelvin temperature, sodium phenoxide is formed. Then sodium penoxide is treated with HCl, dilute HCl, we get phenol. Okay, phenol. Okay, right. Thank you, students. See you next class.